Before turning on the machine, we need to connect this power cord first. It's a 3-phase power, 380 volts. And connect it here. The blue air vent. Here is compressed gas. We need to connect it to a compressor. Then connect the cooling water pipe at the back. Connect it to the chiller. Hard connect to the out. Then plug in the power of the chiller. Turn on. Then we can start the machine from the back. Then this is the interface for starting the machine. First, we turn on the buttons here. Open. This is the drive shaft. The axis movement button. The 4-axis button. This is the button for the laser. Also turn it on directly. This is the button for the laser. Safety button. We'll turn it on last. Don't turn on this button yet. Then press the air valve down. The switch for pressing down. Okay, look at our screen. First, log in as an administrator. The password here is 6 ones. Before setting a new program, we click here first. Let's zero the 4-axis first. To position an axis, click on this X and Y are greater than 0. Okay, it's positioning now. The axis is positioning itself. Okay, it's now positioned. And then you see this is an automatic welding platform. Let's create a single point platform. Just click here. Move it here. Click here and move then it double here. Click to enter. Or you can click here to switch. Then here we can create a shape that we want to. Shape we want to weld. Normally, we weld circles. Here, click a circle. And then pull it with the mouse to draw a circle. Click here, centered. Okay, then here, to set the size of the circle. Let's move the axis in front of us first. We can also use this hand wheel to control the axis. The y-axis controls left and controls the front and back. Okay. Then let's continue the size of the circle. Normal. We can directly change the width here. Just change this number. We usually change it to 6 or 7. Okay, click it and it will shrink. Its width and height are synchronized. Then click the red light preview again. Then you can see the position of the red light. The red light is not in the middle. Then we need to adjust it from here. Here we can adjust the position of the red light. Here you can choose the speed of movement. Okay, let's adjust it to the circular box. Okay, when the circle is in the middle, it's okay. Then turn off here. We must turn on this. Turn on this setting and apply it. Usually, here we are. 1.1. Here we usually set it to 0.4. Okay, normal. We choose this thread line, which is a relatively strong line. You can also choose other shapes of lines. Okay, and then create it. There will be a display here. Finally, we need to choose the power we want to weld. This is a 3 kilowatt machine. If it's turned to 100%, it can weld 4 millimeters of according material to your actual to material. Adjust the power. If your material is thin, you can turn down the power. Now we test it. Just turn on a small power. Set it to 15%. If you're ready, just click the welding button to test it. If you don't turn on this yellow button, it won't emit a laser. Okay, this should be reversed. The top one is 0. and the bottom one is 1.1. Adjust it at this speed. Here, you can increase the welding speed becomes the larger faster, the value, the faster the welding speed. The welding time is now 1.9 seconds. Let's re-weld. Okay, now the speed. Set the speed to 100. Then the welding speed is 1.7 seconds. Okay, if the test is okay, no problem. We can turn on the yellow button, and the laser will appear. Okay, this is a complete welding. This is how a single point the welding speed here and welding power. Then turn on this function. Our default parameters are like this. Okay, and then if we confirm after the single point welding is we can no set problem. Multi-point welding. The premise is that your single point welding after the single point welding test we can create multi-point welding. Click the box. Select the circle. Click and we enter the multi-point welding platform. This dot here is the circle we just created. You can switch back here. You can also switch here. Double-click to switch back. Okay, this is the circle we just created. We need to copy it here now. how many points we need to weld. We just need to copy as many circles as we need to weld 4 points for a battery. So it's 2 rows and 2 columns, which is 2 rows and 2 columns. 2 rows and 2 columns are 4 points. Then click and apply it. Okay, you can see 4 points are generated in the upper right corner. There are 4 same points in total, which are all copies of the points you set before. Okay, next we need to set these 4 points. To set the points according to the welding position of your battery, you need to set it there. Currently, this position is the default one. Now we need to determine where the second point is. Then click on the second point. Okay, let's use the hand wheel. Move it to the second point. For example, if your second point is here, then press the white button. Okay, your second point has been set here. Then go to the third point. Then move the hand wheel. If your third point is here, you press the white button. Okay, your third point has been moved here. Then confirm your fourth point. Move the hand wheel in the same way. For example, the fourth welding point is here. Okay, press the confirmation button in the same way. Okay, your fourth welding point has been moved here. Then move this point. The first point hasn't been moved yet. Let's move the first point. Here. Then use the same method. Click to mark. Okay, his four will be moved to the specified position. Now that the marking is completed, you can try to press the welding button. Safety button switch is not turned on. Click weld and it will run through automatically. The first point, the second point, the third point, the fourth point. Okay. When it's welding, there is a dragging. We need to adjust it in the settings. When it is automatically welding, we need to change auto 9 to this. And change this one here to auto 9. We need to switch between them. If you are single point welding, you need to switch it back and set it. Okay, now we can run it again. This is the first point. This is the second setting point. This is the third setting point. This is the fourth point. Okay, that's it. When repeating the welding, you must find a fixed board and fix the battery here, and then it can be repeated. Welding. Okay, now we can turn on to test the laser. The power is 15% now. Click here to turn on. Okay, that's it. If you need to weld thick materials,